Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have a 2013 Toyota Camry in the shop, and I'm going to show you the location of the battery. It's in the engine compartment, right in front of the driver's seat. We have the negative post clearly marked on this battery, and the positive. The cover is a red cover with the cross symbol. That's the positive battery terminal. Check your terminals, make sure they're not loose. Always put the cover back on if it comes with one. And this battery happens to be an aftermarket battery, so we do have maintenance covers, so we can check the fluids in each cell. If your car comes maintenance free, there it is. But if you need to know location, it's right here under the engine compartment in front of the driver's seat.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.